Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi reiterates nationwide caste census demand. Highlighting the exclusion of Dalit, tribal and OBC women from the Miss India pageant, Rahul argued that 90% of the population is marginalized, underscoring the need for a caste census. Targeting Prime Minister Modi, he challenged him to conduct the census or leave it for the next Prime Minister. In response, the BJP accused Congress of wanting to distribute wealth to Muslims and encroach upon SC/ST quotas. The Saffron clan mocked Rahul's ideas as a mix of Muslim League and Marxism. Meanwhile, Congress hit back at Home Minister Amit Shah, calling himself a self-styled Chanakya for vaguely hinting at a delayed census, mocking the lack of clarity on an issue that has been already postponed for over 3 years.
सर, डेकेडल सेंसस का एक सवाल है, काफी लंबे समय से चला आ रहा है, तो क्या उस पे कोई सर सेंसस का, पॉपुलेशन सेंसस का
वो करेंगे,
कोई डेट बता सकते हैं?
उचित समय पर करेंगे, आप चिंता मत करो।
इसी से जुड़ा हुआ एक और सवाल
जब तय करेंगे तब मैं घोषणा करूंगा कैसे होगा, कब होगा, कैसे होगा।
पहले मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारे सामने डेटा हो कि भैया इतने दलित हैं, हिंदुस्तान के इंस्टीट्यूशन में उनकी इतनी भागीदारी है, रिजर्वेशन की बात होती है मगर चांस नहीं मिलता। सच्चाई है, सब जानते हैं। उल्टा उल्टा हो जाता है, लैटरल एंट्री हो जाती है, लैटरल एंट्री हो जाती है। मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूं, लैटरल एंट्री में आपको 90% का कोई नहीं मिलने वाला। एक साइड आपको लैटरल एंट्री से मारते हैं, दूसरे साइड कॉन्ट्रैक्टर। तो मतलब नीचे देखो वहां पिटाई हो रही है, ऊपर देखो वहां पिटाई हो रही है, साइड देखो वहां पिटाई हो रही है, मतलब जहां भी देखो। और 90% आपकी आबादी है। अब अगर आपकी 10% होती तो कोई कह सकता हाँ भैया 10% आबादी है, ठीक है, पर 90% आबादी आपके बिना देश नहीं चल सकता। और फिर मीडिया में आपको दिखेगा भैया एक पहले क्या होगा, वो बॉलीवुड की बात करेंगे, वहां पे डांस गाना दिखेगा, उसमें भी आपको कोई 90% का नहीं मिलने वाला। मैंने मिस इंडिया की लिस्ट निकाली, कहा ठीक है देखते हैं, मतलब माइनॉरिटी भी 90% में आती है मैडम, आप ही सामने है। और आपको और शायद जो आपके साथ हो रहा है वो सबसे ज्यादा खराब है, मतलब आप पर तो डायरेक्ट आक्रमण हो रहा है। मगर आप भी 90% में हैं। तो मैंने लिस्ट निकाली मिस इंडिया की, मैंने कहा भैया इसमें तो होगा, मतलब एक दलित महिला तो होगी, एक आदिवासी महिला तो होगी ना दलित है, ना आदिवासी, ना ओबीसी, कोई नहीं।
Ashutosh Mishra is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ashutosh, Rahul Gandhi has vehemently demanded a caste census, saying that 90% of the population is marginalized. And he's also said there's been a delay of 3 years. And the BJP has hit back at the Congress, saying they want to distribute all the wealth among only the minorities. Give us more details.
Well, clearly it's not about the wealth distribution to minorities. Largely it is all about the caste-based census. And remember the BJP in Bihar, when the Bihar carried out a survey on the caste-based, the BJP did support it. And subsequently you also heard Amit Shah saying as and when the decision is being taken, they will announce it. For Rahul Gandhi, what advocating is that there is a cap of the 50% on the reservation, and you cannot breach the cap until there is a scientific or mathematic data of the socio-economic status of the people available. And clearly what he advocates, and it is always said in the the political spectrum, that largely the numbers of the OBC, the SC could be much more than the previous caste census done in 2011. So on that he says since the caste census is important, and only on base of that data there will be a fair share of the reservation will be given to the people from the OBC and the other backward communities in both in government jobs as well as in the education system. So when it comes to the caste-based census, even if you see the government is also on the back foot, they cannot simply deny that there will not be a caste-based census. But taking on the government, that looks like a poor nerve of the government. Rahul Gandhi and perhaps entire opposition is taking on the government, demanding the reservation. Enumerate at extent saying, and if not this Prime Minister, then perhaps the next Prime Minister will carry out the caste-based census. So clearly, the opposition's strategy at the moment is to dominate and mount a pressure on the government, and clearly, the way the government has been taking certain decisions and then rolling it back in last few days, this looks like a pressure strategy of the opposition, including Rahul Gandhi.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ashutosh, for bringing us all those details.